Hello and welcome to another edition of Marketing Waves on this Tuesday, the 13th of July. So quite a bit of news coming out of all the economies yesterday. We had the earnings season kicking off with US stocks hitting record highs once again. Also on the other side of the continent, we had Christine Lagarde's interview, which said that the pandemic emergency purchasing program is set to continue into 2022, with the infection rate actually going up, which is quite worrying. And also in the UK, we had Prime Minister Boris Johnson setting out his plan of the big freedom date, let's say on July the 19th, setting out his criteria. So this led the pound to recover slightly as it dipped in the early Asian session. So just want to take a look at pound and dollar yen today, dollar yen being the safe haven that it is. So, at the moment, we're seeing the completion of this leading diagonal here. We've completed Y of B. Now, as expected, we are moving to the downside slightly, and to complete this wave 4, we could have said wave 4 is maybe completed here, but we're going for here now in this wave degree, and then for another multi-structural move to the upside. So now we're just looking after this break of the channel of this leading diagonal. We're looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move to the downside, and then we'll see about, as I said, moving higher up into this wave 5. So this move could break the, we're waiting for the 61.8 break at the moment for this continuation to the downside, and then we'll see what the signals are. So speaking of signals, we'll just take a look on the MACD and RSI. So at the moment, not too much in the way. It seems like it's pretty much going with the flow. So we're not really looking too worried about any divergences. We're looking at the fact that we are moving in the correct way to the downside to complete C of 4. So we'll see how that goes in the medium term at least. And just a look on cable as well. So the last time we looked at it, we were looking to see if it would re-enter this descending channel, which it has done here, which is quite significant. So this is moving as expected. We've completed wave 5 of C of 4 as well. So naturally now we're looking for a multi-structural move to the upside. We've completed this running flat, which was, it looked like pretty much completed here. And like I said, once minor wave 4 is completed, we're moving to the upside now. So we're just going past these previous levels here. This was of the previous minute waves 2 and 3, the Fibonacci retracement. And now, as I say, we're moving to the upside. So very, very significant moves there as expected. And just looking on any divergences again, well, not too much in the way. We had these previous divergences here, but these look like they have actually passed by now. So again, we're just looking to see what the possibilities are moving to the upside. And as I said, we are moving now in minor wave 5 to the upside. So we could have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to end up or higher above the 100%, and that's where we'll see a little bit more of a continuation. So the signals for the MACD and RSI will be important in the next few trading hours, probably for the rest of the trading day, and then we'll see if cable did, as I say, did have a bit of a recovery as it did dip in the early Asian session yesterday, but the focal fundamental news is that cable is on the rise now, as it's got a little bit more momentum due to this Freedom Day announcement. Infection rates for COVID-19 are expected to increase, but the UK government said it's something they're going to have to live with. So as long as that stays in the the criteria, then we should see quite a strong rebound in the UK economy especially. So just watch out for that, and obviously keep an eye on our multi-structural wave moves as well. So that's all from Marketing Waves today. Thank you very much for joining us. As usual, any comments or queries or recommendations you'd like to share with us, please feel free to add them to the post, and we'll speak again tomorrow. Bye for now.